beast. This is what they call top secret. 2JZ big single G40 1150 turbo. The turbo is rated at 1150 horsepower. This car is running at the moment now with a 98 fuel map setup. It's got double injectors and it's currently running at 650 wheel horsepower and 660 Newton meters. But you can tune a flex fuel setup with E85 and then the car easily will reach over 1000 horsepower, especially with the big turbo setup now at the moment. Billet aluminium intake manifold, Bosch 82mm electronic throttle body, drive-by-wire, so this you can tune for whatever you want. Traction control, two-step, launch control, whatever you want, it's all electronically controlled. So yeah, most of the cars are pretty much in the same condition it was on the exterior, but of course in the engine bay I've completely refreshed and rebuilt the entire engine from scratch. Titan Motorsports pulleys, it's got CP Carrillo pistons, a slightly wider bore, it's 85mm I think it is, or 65mm, I'm not sure which one, but it's like 0.1mm bigger overbore than standard. It's got a black nitrated plus 1mm racing intake and exhaust valves. It's got a brand new Toyota GTE head. The head I had to get from Toyota in Supra Sport, and they had the head completely redone, brand new. So that was really nice to find a part because they're really hard to get hold of. It's got an AEM fuel regulator, and the fuel rail is set up for I think it's running at 8 bar fuel pressure at the moment now. Standard ABS from factory. And then we've got an upgraded 3-inch core radiator, and then below as well you've got a 3-inch core intercooler, and then we've got an oil cooler as well, which is hiding behind here. You see him hiding over there, so the oil cooler as well is there. It's got the new glass headlamps. These headlamps are like 1,500 euros just for a set of glass headlamps. The original ones were the plastic covers and all the chrome rings started to oxidize. So the glass headlamps are the upgraded ones. And then of course it's got the HKS SPF high flow air filter. I've got a new brake booster, new brake master cylinder, new clutch master cylinder as well. So everything has been refreshed. It's running an HKS twin plate clutch. So it's quite noisy. You hear a lot of chatter on the clutch. But of course that's to handle the power because it's running a lot of torque. And then I've got the upgraded 20-inch Workmeister ST1 wheels, and it's running 324mm brakes front and rear. I didn't actually realize this, but the rear discs are the same size as the front. The only difference being the rears are 60mm thick and the fronts are 34mm thick, but they're both 324mm diameter. So when you're looking from the side here, you can actually see the front and rear brake discs are the same size, which is very uncommon in a car. Normally the fronts are bigger and the rears are smaller, but that's because of how much stopping power you need to get this car down from 300 kph down to 0. And this thing brakes on a dime. I must say it's really, really strong brakes. 5-inch exhaust all the way from the downpipe. It was a 5-inch outlet, and it's got a HKS screamer pipe with HKS wastegate with a screamer pipe 3-inch. Barely fitted anything more in there. I think the biggest pipe we could get down there was a 5-inch downpipe with a 3-inch screamer. And it's running a nice heat shielding here as well to keep the engine bay nice and cool. Twin electric fans, keep the cooling under control. And then of course everything has been repainted in the engine bay in the same top secret gold. that the car came with from Japan. And I actually managed to find really cool pictures of the car from back in the early 2000s, attending a car show back in 2002. As far as I can trace back, I got confirmation from Top Secret themselves. Of course, Smoke is still around. I emailed them some years back again and asked them to confirm that the body kit was indeed built and manufactured and fitted to the car by them. They confirmed that my car on the chassis number, which I sent them, has actually been built and fitted by Top Secret. So here's the chassis number, and I sent this to them and they confirmed that here I've got some Top Secret struts as well. The Ganador wing mirrors, these are actually aluminium, these blocks, and these are very hard to get hold of, so super expensive, these Ganador wing mirrors. And of course the car is coming from Japan, so it's a right-hand drive, so you can have a look inside here as well. We've got the facelifted model, so you've got the 3 gauges here for facelifted model. Let me just move the steering wheel out of the way. Alright, so there we go. So you got your facelifted gauges. The car's doing now 63,000 kilometers. Whoops. 63,200 kilometers original mileage. Not so much, and I've had the engine rebuilt at I think 55,000 kilometers. I had the engine rebuilt. Top Secret 6-speed shifter, and Top Secret badges everywhere, and then running the HKS Recaro confetti seats, and these are quite nice actually because you have reclinable seats. And then you've got the leather seats in the background here, and actually found some secrets here at the back, some original Top Secret stickers signed by the man himself. So I mean that's pretty cool, and carpets as well, Top Secret. So yeah, the car's got everything fitted out. It's had a very good life, I think, and of course, yeah, you guys know the story. So let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys, peace out, and like and subscribe to the video if you want to see more of this content. Thanks, guys.
Está tipo